we are at JBR Beach. We're gonna show you the beach, all the places you can eat and walk around, and then we're gonna go catch the boat. This boat is called the Blue Water Boat. It's the cheapest boat you can catch at Marina on this side of town. And of course, then you have the one drum boat or the gold souk that you can catch as well. But this one is a lot nicer. There we go. Nice breeze. And of course, you get a nice view of the wheel. And those remind me of the Super Tree in Singapore. They do have fireworks and then drone show, and they rotate each day. And they have one at 9:30 that we've attended a couple of times. It's really awesome. You can see it here, or you can see it across the street on the beach. Another place that's very popular is this ice cream shop. Sarah ate half of it. There's still this much left.
Kids eat it.
Kids eat it?
Not me.
You're not a kid?
We got our appetizer, Sarah's favorite, grape leaves. Mariam's favorite, tabbouleh. Marwa's favorite, just bread. Sira's favorite, coming, lahmacun. You got doo-doo?
Gummy bear.
Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, thanks so much for watching. And today's video, we are at JBR Beach with the Ibrahim Mafia. You guys know this mafia right here? Marwa is the only person that I know is cold in Dubai.
Somebody not cold in Dubai. That's about.
Bas abla cold. We're about to get some coffee here, Arabica coffee. It's one of our favorite places to drink. They have a really good coffee. We're gonna show you the beach, all the places you can eat and walk around, and then we're gonna go catch the boat. This boat is called the Blue Water Boat. It's the cheapest boat you can catch at Marina on this side of town. And of course, then you have the one drum boat or the gold souk that you can catch as well. But this one is a lot nicer. So with that said, that's what we're gonna do, and we'll see what else we can find along the way. So let's get started. Yeah. Marwa, bees have how many eyes? 5. We went to bee farm yesterday, so good job. 5.
And we have like 5 legs and
6 legs.
6.
How many stomachs?
5.
2 stomach. Who is lazy, male or female bee?
Female bee.
Male bees are lazy. Oh, they did a horrible job.
Coffee coming.
Coffee coming. Oh.
It big heart.
Sarah, don't be mad. He made me a heart, okay? Don't be jealous, Sarah. Here we go. It's really good. All right, you guys can people watch. Here you go. All right guys, so you can see the place right there, the circle tower is where people go up and eat dinner on top. There you go, having dinner on this windy day, like 5 jackets on. The sun is starting to go down. We're getting closer to the beach. Flying Cup, that's what it's called. If you wanna have dinner, freeze your butt off, that's the place you wanna go. All right, we're officially on the beach. There's all the stuff that you can do here. Oh, that looks fun. There we go. Nice breeze. Right past that tall building, that's where our Hilton JBR Beach Hotel was, the newest Hilton. So if you have not seen that video, definitely check it out. One of our favorite hotels in Dubai. What do you see, Sito? Park? You see park? All right, guys, so we're on the bridge, getting ready to cross to the other side, and this is probably one of the best views you see of the Marina Beach. Oh, not Marina Beach, JBR. So that's the Palms right there. That's the new Palms Hotel. It looks like a Lego shape. That's the tower, the Nakil Mall, very popular. You have a ferries coming up right there. And of course, JBR Beach right here. And a building with a huge gap in the middle. My kids call it the square building. It's got a square gap. And of course, you get a nice view of the wheel. And those remind me of the super tree in Singapore. Mariam, you good? You wearing your jacket?
Jacket.
Jacket. All right, guys, so right when you cross the bridge, I want to show you where to buy your tickets because it's not the easiest thing. So that bridge you see right there, right in front of it, you got the box. So that's where you buy the tickets for Blue Waters. That's the cheapest boat you can take here at JBR Marina. It's at a pod. Look at those pods. It's a restaurant with a pod. You see? That's pretty cool. It's called the Pods. Duh. Duh. Oh yeah, this is hot dog. We had this last year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yummy.
It's a big hot dog. We have to go down, Sarah. So that's where we're trying to get to, right there. What? Look at pandas.
See the panda?
Panda. Whoa. Alright, if you want the cheapest place to eat here, it's gonna be McDonald's. McDonald's is gonna be your best bet. They do have fireworks and then drone show, and they rotate each day. So one is drone, one is fireworks, and they have one at 9:30 that we've attended a couple of times. It's really awesome. You can see it here, or you can see it across the street on the beach. Where are you from? Pakistan. Pakistan, okay. I know Huda Hafiz. That's it. A half a meter. One bite. Mariam, it's okay. Down. It's okay. All right, another place that's very popular is this ice cream shop right behind me. As you can see, the ice cream is pretty much bigger than the cone. It is crazy, crazy tall. So, and it's only 29 dirhams, which is pretty good. So let me show you the place. And the place is literally called Ice Cream right here, and Milky Ice on the other way. Sarah ate half of it. There's still this much left.
Well, let's go eat this.
Kids eat it?
Not me.
You're not a kid?
I taste it right now.
You taste right now? How's it taste? Shito? Good? Oi, 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 oi. So the cost for the Blue Waters boat ride is 5 dirhams, which is really, really cheap. And kids 6 and below are free, so there's no charge for that. It takes you from here to Marina Mall. And also you can ride it from Marina Mall to here for a second ride if you like. Also next to Marina Mall, there are the bigger boats and more like dinner cruise, lunch cruise. Those are the ones that are a bit more expensive, but you can also rent those right next to Marina Mall on the right-hand side. So that's the important info when it comes to money with the boats here. All right, guys, one of the cool things to do for kids when you are here at JBR Beach is to go to the Masha and the Bear restaurant. This is our first time actually seeing it, so we literally just randomly ran into it. It's a really cool concept. It's located on the back side of Cheesecake Factory. There you go. So Masha and the Bear. That's the kids over here. Hi. Alright guys, welcome to JBR Beach. We're at our favorite restaurant, Zozo. There you go. Zozo. They have one in Dubai Mall. They have one here, and maybe a few more. This one is our favorite because you get to see the wheel right there. Amazing views of the wheel, fireworks, and the drone show. So JBR is well known for being very popular during the day for beach, and they're very popular at nighttime for walking around, getting something to eat, drink, having a great time.
Alright folks, we got our appetizer, Sada's favorite, grape leaves, Mariam's favorite, tabbouleh, Marwa's favorite, just bread, Sira's favorite, coming, lahmacun.
So this is Lebanese and Turkish, by the way, but my favorite meal is here. I want to show it to you.
This thing is warm yogurt, beef, pomegranate, parsley, and maybe some bread, but it's really, really good. So let's give it a taste.
It's amazingly good. So I just got 2 t-shirts made here at the local kiosk booth. 200 local currency, total 100 each. Original price was 170 each. All right guys, so we're at JBR. There's a cafe shop that's been becoming very, very popular on Instagram because they do something really cool, a holiday season. So with that said, let me just show it to you. It's a hot chocolate with a little friend on top. Assalamu alaikum. How cool is this, Sarah?
I like it.
One for Annie and Mariam, one for me, Marwa.
Oh, look.
Good.
He's little baby. My baby.
It's actually really good.
Look mine. It's a big water.
It's a good doo-doo. Very good, actually. Very good hot chocolate. Probably one of the best ones I've had.
Look like that. I think cat.
Alright guys, another thing that this place has is pretty cool. Frozen cheesecake on a stick. Say that a couple times.
Wow, this one trying.
Okay.
Can you bite?
Alright folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.